Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 7. Find V in the circuit below. Yan. So, we have this circuit. Hanapin daw natin itong voltage V. So, pwede natin itong ma-solve using different circuit analysis technique. But, ngayon, gagamitin ko is nodal analysis. So, assign muna tayo ng reference node. Itong ground. Which is 0 volt. And then, identify natin yung mga non-reference node. So, actually, this is non-reference node. Kaso, connected na siya agad sa 5 volts. With respect to ground, automatic, this node is equivalent na agad sa positive 5 volts. Positive kasi, yung positive polarity yung nakakonect ito sa node. Tapos, another non-reference node is etong node na to, which is connected na agad dito sa 2 volt. With respect sa ground, therefore, itong node na to is equivalent na agad sa negative 2 volt. So, negative kasi nakakonect yung negative polarity ng voltage source ito sa node. And then, another non-reference node is etong node na to. So, I will denote na lang as V kasi V rin naman siya with respect sa ground or yung voltage across the 7 ohm. So, pagka-identify ng mga non-reference node, so isa lang yung bali unknown na non-reference node natin, bubuo tayo ng KCL equation. So, dahil isa lang yung non-reference node, isang KCL equation lang yung bubuuin natin. Pero mag-assign muna tayo ng direction ng mga currents sa resistor arbitrarily. So, kahit anong gusto nyo, let's say dito sa 3 ohm, assign ko is current I1 going to the left, to the right, I mean. Tapos, dito kay 7 ohm, I will denote as I2 going down. Tapos, dito sa 4 ohm, I will denote I3 going to the right. And then, mag-KCL na tayo. KCL at node V. So, pag KCL, summation of current entering is equal to summation of current leaving sa node V. So, ano yung mga entering sa node V? So, si I1 lang, right? Then, equal to summation of current leaving. Yung nagli-leave naman is si I2 tsaka si I3. So, I2 plus I3. And then, i-represent natin itong mga currents in terms of the node voltage. So, si I1, bale, higher potential niya si 5 volts, so pumasok siya sa 5 volts, minus lower potential niya is itong node V. So, the current I1 is the voltage across the 3 ohm, bale, 5 minus V. And then, divided by the resistance 3. So, higher potential minus lower potential divided by the resistance na dinaanan ng current. Then, equal to I2 naman. So, si I2 is pumasok siya sa node V. So, higher potential niya yon. V minus lower potential is maglilive siya dito sa ground, 0 volt. Then, divided by yung dinaan ng resistance, 7 ohm. Plus, so si I3 naman, higher potential niya, pumasok siya sa node V. Minus lower potential, lalabas ito sa node na to, which is negative 2 volts. Then over yung dinaan ng resistance ng current, 4 ohm. Yan, so we have one equation in one unknown V. Pwede na natin yung ma-solve using calculator. So, i-shift solve ko na lang siya. Yan, so input natin, 5 minus, so yung V, lagay ko siya sa alpha x as unknown, over 3, alpha equal, fraction, alpha x minus 0 over 7, plus fraction, alpha x minus negative 2 over 4, and then shift solve equal, yan. So, yung voltage natin, exact value is 98 over 61 volts, or in decimal, approximately 1.607 volts. So, this is the answer.